Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam games still broken after verifying files. Sometimes Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files tool reports that everything is correct, but the game still crashes, fails to launch, or behaves unexpectedly. This can happen because the issue is caused by damaged installation data, corrupted download cache files, or problems with the Steam library folder rather than just missing game files. Fortunately, there are several additional troubleshooting methods you can use to repair the game and restore normal functionality. The first method is to perform a clean reinstallation of the affected game. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Locate the game that is still experiencing problems. Right-click the game and select Manage, then choose Uninstall. Confirm the removal of the game from your system. Uninstalling the game removes its current installation files, allowing you to download a fresh copy from Steam's servers. This can fix problems caused by damaged files, incomplete updates, or installation issues that file verification was unable to repair. Once the uninstall process is complete, reinstall the game and test whether the issue has been resolved. If the game is still not functioning correctly, the next step is to clear Steam's download cache. Click the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to Downloads. Locate Clear Download Cache and click it. When Steam asks for confirmation, select Confirm. Steam will restart and remove temporary download data that may be corrupted or interfering with game installations and updates. After signing back into Steam, check whether the game works properly. If the problem continues, the final step is to repair your Steam library folder. Go back to Steam Settings and open Storage. You will see the drives where your Steam games are installed. Select the drive containing the affected game. Click the three dots menu next to the drive and select Repair Library. Steam will scan the selected library folder and attempt to repair issues involving permissions, folder structure, and Steam's access to installed games. This can resolve problems where the game files are present but Steam cannot properly use or update them. It is important to understand that a successful file verification does not guarantee that every game issue is fixed. Some problems may be related to damaged game configuration files, corrupted download data, Steam library permission issues, incomplete installations, conflicts with mods or third-party software. This is why reinstalling the game, clearing the download cache, and repairing the library are useful next steps when verification does not solve the problem. A common beginner mistake is repeatedly running file verification and expecting a different result each time. If the underlying issue is not a missing or corrupted game file, verification may continue to report that the files are fine. Another common mistake is reinstalling Steam itself before trying to repair the individual game installation or Steam library. To summarize, fixing Steam games that remain broken after verifying files starts by opening Library, right-clicking the affected game, and selecting Manage Uninstall to reinstall it from a clean state. If the issue remains, go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and use Clear Download Cache. Finally, open Steam, Settings, Storage, select the affected drive, open the three-dot menu, and choose Repair Library. These steps help replace damaged installations, refresh Steam's download data, and fix problems with the game library. And that's how to fix Steam games that are still broken after verifying files. By reinstalling the game, clearing Steam's download cache, and repairing the Steam library, you can resolve many problems that file verification alone cannot detect or repair. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.